Hi, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Welcome back to my Delmar Wristlet Sew Along tutorials. To make the Delmar Wristlet, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern from my website linked below. In my previous video, we installed the turn lock hardware. This video will walk you through finishing the exterior panels and preparing the zipper for your wristlet. Locate your prepared exterior slip pocket panel and your C-piece, the exterior slip pocket lining. Right sides together, pin or clip the C-piece, the lining, to the prepared exterior slip pocket panel. Pin or clip along the top edge only. Sew using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Press the seam that you just sewed well. Fold the lining over the pocket band, wrong sides together. Press the lining behind the pocket band so that the lining doesn't peek out above the pocket band. You can see that your pocket band edges hang over the left and right sides of the panel. So I'm just using a ruler and my rotary cutter to trim the edges of the pocket band so that they are the same size as my panel. And you want to do this on both the left and the right sides. Top stitch the slip pocket panel 1/8 inch from the top edge. We're now going to even the front and the back panels, and you can use your lining panel eye as a template. I'm placing one of my eye lining pieces beneath my exterior back panel. And as you can see, the zipper band extends a little to the left and the right. And I want to even it up just like I did with the exterior pocket panel. So I'm going to trim the left and right sides of my zipper bands so that they are even with the edge of my panel and even with the eye lining panels. My exterior back panel is evened up, and so now I'm going to do the exact same thing with my exterior front panel. I'm using the lining as a template and my ruler to make a straight edge from the bottom of the front panel to the top on the sides, and just cutting off that excess little bit of the zipper band. And again, I'm doing this on both the left and the right sides. We're now going to mark the zipper placement on the exterior panels. I'm beginning with my exterior front panel. I am measuring 5/8 inch from the top left and right edges, and I'm going to draw a small line with my friction pen to indicate those two 5/8 inch markings. The zipper will be centered between these two markings and not sewn into the side seams. On my exterior back panel, I am also marking the 5/8 inch markings on the right and the left sides. We're now going to prepare the zipper. Fold back the top ends of the zipper tape at a 45-degree angle. Press or stitch in place. In this video, I'm also going to show you an alternative way to fold back the top edges of your zipper. My zipper is 14 inches in total length, and about 3 inches down, I'm drawing 2 fold lines. These 2 lines will be the new end point for the opening end of my zipper. I'm folding along the line that I drew on the right side of the zipper tape, and I'm folding the zipper tape in half, wrong sides together, right along that line. As I'm pinching the fold, I'm turning it outward against the zipper tape above it, and it forms a 45-degree angle. Baste the fold in place with a few stitches, either on your sewing machine or by hand. Repeat these steps on the fold line that you drew on the opposite side of the zipper tape, forming another 45-degree fold. Once again, baste the folded zipper tape in place. Measure 8.5 inches from the zipper opening. Mark a small line on the zipper tape at 8.5 inches. Just above the line that you drew, you're going to create a new zipper stop by hand basting or machine tacking several stitches about 1/8 inch above the marking. I'm hand basting over top of the zipper teeth. I'm now going to use an old pair of scissors to trim the zipper down at the 8.5 inch markings, cutting all the way through the zipper teeth and zipper tape. I have quite a bit of zipper tape at the opening end of my zipper that I'm also going to cut off so that it is even with the rest of the zipper tape. Locate zipper tab G. Fold the zipper tab in half, matching short side to short side, and then press. Unfold the zipper tab, then fold the raw edges to meet the center crease and press. Insert the zipper end into the zipper tab. Be sure the end of the zipper is pushed in all the way to the zipper tab center crease. Sew the zipper tab in place, stitching 1/8 inch from the fold closest to the zipper teeth. Trim the excess fabric of the zipper tab so that it is even with the zipper teeth. The zipper now fits between the markings that you drew earlier on the front and the back exterior panels. The zipper is now prepared and we're ready to begin making the card pockets in my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing!